Hi, I'm Vivaan. Today we are going to make a buzzboard. To make the buzzboard, the materials are a cutter for ice cream sticks, a DC motor, 9-volt battery, a switch, a 9-volt battery holder, a wire, and a straw. Take 4 ice cream sticks, measure them in 5 centimeters, cut these with the help of cutter. These are the cut parts of the ice cream sticks. We are gonna stick these with 9-volt battery like this. So the base of the buzzboard will be made. Now we are making the circuit for a motor. So first, we take this black wire and put it in the first end of the switch. Then we take the black wire and put it in the second end of the switch. Like this, we have connected the switch to the wire. Next, we take the red wire of the connector and put it in the first end of the motor. Then we take the other black wire and put it in the second end of the motor. This way we have attached the all wires to the motor. Now we have to take this straw and put it in the front of the motor and bend it again. Now take the base of the buzzboard and put the connector, attach the connector to the battery. Then we have to take the motor and put it in the attach it on the back side of the battery. With the help of two-way tape, we have stick the switch and the motor to the battery. Like this, our buzzboard is ready. Now we will switch on the buzzboard.